100 years old, 500 years old. How are we going to compensate heritage, sir?
In India, there are houses which are 5,000 years old.
Could be.
Huh?
I'm not saying
Goa.
But that doesn't mean our houses should be destroyed. 550 years old.
Goans were an invading force in India. They came 500 years or whenever. But Indians were they were living here 10,000. When you all came, you all also must have destroyed so many houses here. The Portuguese. When you all came, you all also must have destroyed so many houses here. The Portuguese. When you all came, you all also must have destroyed so many houses here. The Portuguese. When you all came, you all also must have destroyed so many houses here. The Portuguese.
We, the people of Goa, have taken strong objection to this statement, and when our Honourable Chief Minister got to know this, he was also very upset about it, because I think we need to respect each other. Because if we go to, analyze history, we can all keep saying things to each other.
Madam, I have already apologized to you on the day itself. हमारी भाषा मातृभाषा हिंदी है और the Portuguese की जगह you Portuguese हो गया most probably, and I am sorry for that. I was just talking about the people 500 years or earlier, and so if she feels I was referring to her, I regret that, and I have already withdrawn it on that day itself, and now I withdraw it again.
General manager had mentioned that it was totally inadvertent. कोई इनका ऐसा इंटेंशन नहीं था. वो कभी कभी हो जाता है, बात करते समय गलती से वो उन्होंने कुछ कह दिया था, और इसके लिए ऑनरेबल MLA मैडम, ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर मैडम से आज बात हुई है, और जो भी एक गलती से कोई चीज़ उन्होंने कह दिया था उसके लिए उन्होंने अपना खेद व्यक्त किया. ही हैज एक्सप्रेस रेग्रेट, ही हैज अपोलोजाइज्ड.